Your husband's feelings run deep. Your husband actually experiences every emotion you do, but he's been taught not to talk about them. He learned to hide his vulnerability. Instead, he takes action, sometimes before he even knows if there's a problem to solve. God created him to be both vulnerable and strong. Boys are more sensitive girls, and they are physically stronger. Those are just the biological facts. In the process of becoming a man, he learned to control his emotions and his strength. Right now, you may not appreciate just how genius that is. Instead of being an emotional wimp or a bully, the goal of mature masculinity is to use his sensitivity and his strength to protect and provide for those he loves. He's so good at it, he'll even risk his life for those he doesn't love. It's his God-given duty.